Yeah. Philly's cadence is your taxonomic nomenclature. An endothermic quadruped, carnivorous by nature. Your visual, olfactory, and auditory senses contribute to your hunting skills and natural defenses. I find myself intrigued by your subvocal oscillations, a singular development of cat communications that obviates your basic hedonistic predilection for a rhythmic stroking of your fur to demonstrate affection. A tail is quite essential for your acrobatic talents. You would not be so agile if you lacked this counterbalance. And when not being utilized to aid in locomotion, it often serves to illustrate the state of your emotion. Oh, spot the complex levels of behavior you display. Connote a fairly well-developed cognitive array. And though you are not sentient, spotting do not comprehend, I nonetheless consider you a true and valued friend.